What's the meaning of aggravate? Aggravate. 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 Aggravate means to make a situation or problem worse, often by making someone angry or upset. When you aggravate a situation, you intensify the negative aspects of it and make it more difficult to resolve. This can result in increased tension, frustration, and even hostility between people. An aggravated problem can also have more severe consequences, leading to damage, harm, and losses that would not have occurred if the situation had been handled differently. It is important to avoid aggravating problems and instead seek to find solutions that address the root causes and resolve the issues at hand.